What's going on, guys? For today's video we have a Supreme Week 15 live cop, and right off the gate I'm just gonna tell you guys this is probably going to be the most boring live cop you've ever seen. We're not really going for anything crazy. I honestly think there's just one thing I want, and it's the accessory. That's, what is it, that little lighter thing. Yeah, so that's like $18. So this might be kind of a pretty lame live cop, if I'm being honest with you guys. But I did want to go for the Futura deck, but I did find out this, the deck set. I didn't know that at the beginning. So I'm probably going to pass on that because that averages out to like, what, like almost $80, $85 after tax for the 3 decks. And I don't really want all 3 of them. I kind of feel like I'd have a hard time selling them individually if I just kept one. So I'm probably just going to stick with just getting the lighter thing. And I don't know, maybe I'll add like a hat or something in there so I'm not paying $10 shipping on just a lighter case. I'm not really sure yet. Let me take a look at Drops by Jay one last time. So yeah, those pants are pretty cool too, but I don't really know if I could wear those, so obviously that's going to be a pass for me. And yeah, there wasn't really anything else that was like something I'd actually want to get. I mean, obviously the travel trailer is sick, but come on now, I'm not going to be able to get that. I don't even know if that's online or not, but even if it is, I'm not going to be able to get that. Oh, you know, I did forget the Futura t-shirts coming out, so I could try to get like the t-shirt and get the lighter and like, I don't know, maybe one of these hats, but yeah, I'm not for sure. So yeah, it doesn't really seem like it's going to be that crazy of a live cop, but you know me, I still want to try to give you this video because as of right now, I'm trying to drop about like 1 to 2 videos a week. Previously I've only been dropping 1 video a week, but I'm hopefully pretty soon here I could pick that up to 2 videos a week. So you know I got to give you guys a live cop. But remember, if this is something you enjoy, please make sure you hit the like button so I know this is content that you guys want to see. I mean, we still got about 5 minutes left until the drop, so I guess I could plug my brand again. A lot of you guys don't know this, but I do have my own brand. It's called Hellheart. This is one of our hats. This hat actually did sell out last week, but we do have a brand new drop coming out June 21st. So don't miss out on that. I have all the info in the description down below if you guys want to check that out. But while you're down there, make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's Chandler Sutton. I'll put it up on screen as well as in the description down below. So now we can get right back into the video. And yeah, we have about 5 minutes left until the drop, so I guess I could queue up the screen recorder. So let me get that situated right now. Alright, we got the screen recording going. We got about 2 minutes left until the drop. Now, I'm pretty sure everything is about sold out, but you know what? We got time right now. We could take a look at what we got left over here. These Nike jackets, I don't know what I'm missing here. I mean, the price could have went up, but I've seen a lot of people that got these were already just like selling them for like $500. And if I'm not mistaken, they're not even going for that much. I'm not really sure where people are getting that price from. Yeah, I don't know. I've just been trying to figure that out all week. We got the hats here. They are sold out. Obviously, they're sold out. The knives are both sold out as well. But all the lanyards are here, which I kind of figured that. And wow, oh, those are the new arrows. So yeah, those are going to be gone. But yeah, all the hats are kind of in stock still. And yeah, all the Nike stuff is going to be sold out, as we probably could have expected. And then some of those box logo hoodies are still, like the mini box logo hoodies. I kind of thought these would sell out, to be honest. I thought it was kind of sick with the pin on it. That was something new that we've never seen before. Clearly, not everyone was feeling it because they're still in stock in some of the colorways. So yeah, let's get back to over here. And you know, we're just going to be loading new because, I mean, why not? It's not even that crazy of a drop. So I kind of feel like I'm going to be able to get everything I want. I mean, I guess I shouldn't say that because every time I say that, something bad happens. So let's go. Hopefully we can get this rolling. All right, we have about 30 seconds left until the drop. You know what else I was thinking? I still didn't get my order from last week, and that was like a super easy order. And I don't know. I feel like Supreme's been slowing down on the shipping. I used to get my stuff like, boom, 2 days later, it'd be here. Now it's taking forever. Alright, let's go, let's go. We got 10 seconds left. Alright, and it is 11 now, so let's go. Still has not loaded in yet, but that is to be expected. Still got the Nike stuff right there. Dang, why's my laptop been making these crazy noises lately? Like, this has never been a thing. And now the last 2 weeks, my laptop is just going off the chain once it hits 11. Alright, starting to lag, so that means it's probably about to turn. Come on. Come on. Still nothing. Oh, there we go. I don't even know what color I want. I guess I'll get black. Dang, that's $18. Well, I kind of feel like that's a lot. No, why is it not? No, not shorts. It is lagging, guys. It is lagging. I'll try to get this in a medium. I'm not getting it for myself. And then let me try the 3P of just getting the hat. Wow, I can't click those. Let me just try new. I don't even know what this hat even says. Sure, I guess I'll just try to get this. So it's not just one item. Trying to make the video a little bit better here that I got a few things. It looked like I wasn't clicking, but I swear guys, I was clicking. It was just lagging very slow. I mean, it was just lagging, making things go really slow. And let's go. We are processing. All right, the bar is stuck, so maybe we're not processing. Oh, and there we go. We got it. Like I said, it was probably going to be a pretty easy cop. I mean, I was just going for those 3 things. And wow, that actually got a email. They've been kind of slacking on the email, but I got that email pretty quickly. So yeah, like I was saying, pretty easy for me. I mean, I was just going to get those 3 things. I actually said I was going to get the 1 thing, so I feel like that's better that I got a couple of things, so the video wasn't just like boom, over with. And yeah, of course, this thing is sold out. I mean, if you were able to cop this, congratulations. That is sick. I mean, obviously this is out of my price range, but this thing is pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. If people like legitimately did buy this, oh, available in store only. Okay, I was gonna say, how were they shipping this thing? Looks like it was available in store only. And then lastly, before we go, let's just take a look at, wait, what was I gonna look at? Oh, the deck set. Yeah, the deck set already did sell out. Yeah, it was 234 bucks. So yeah, that's kind of upsetting. I mean, obviously I wanted to get this, but I didn't really want to drop $300 on the decks because I only wanted one of them. I didn't really care which one I wanted, but like I was saying too, I didn't really think I'd be able to sell them separately. So I just kind of went for it. I mean, I kind of just passed because I don't know. I didn't really want to go for that. But obviously the lighters are still here. All 3 of them are still here, and that was basically the whole drop. Yeah, I didn't think the shirt was gonna sell out. Yeah, the shirt's still here. Oh wow, only got 1 size left. Wasn't expecting that. But all right, I guess I could end this screen recording. So let me end this right now. All right, so that is gonna do it for my live cop video. I hope you guys did enjoy this. And again, I know I already said it a couple of times, but I know this was a pretty lame live cop. There just wasn't really anything that I wanted this week. It's just not like as entertaining as it could have been. So I do apologize about that. But if you do enjoy these types of videos, please hit the like button so I know. I want to try to give you guys as many live cops as I can if that is something you guys are into. As of now, I've been kind of just making them to see like who's liking them, who's not. Last week's video didn't do very well, but the week before that, you guys were cooking. So hopefully we can see that again. So make sure you drop that like, and if you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe. And don't forget, check in the description down below. You can find my Instagram as well as my brand's Instagram. Please check those out if you have not already. And I know I just said like and subscribe, but I mean, drop a comment too. Let me know if you guys are able to copy anything this week. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. I'm out.